Good morning, YouTube. This is a Medea's washing machine and dryer. I went through a couple of videos with a lady talking about how to use the Midea washing machine, which it wasn't enough for me because, like, sometimes when I do a load of clothes, it's like it's not enough water in it. So just now, I just finished a load, and one of my shirts, like, didn't look clean enough to me, right? Which, right now, you know, I'm doing it over. So now what I have in here is my son comforter and sheet off his bunk bed. So I'm gonna power it up, do bulky sheets, extra heavy, cold. I'm gonna try to press extra water. No, because this like a soap delay. See, this is what confusing me. Like, I press extra water, but it don't put it in there. So, okay, let's start her up, which it just shakes everything up to get it ready. And I want y'all to see. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. I don't know. We're going to see, which, you know, it got that fabric softener and detergents, and this is where the bleach go. But I use Tide Pods. So, you know, can't put that in there. Okay, now what it's doing is loading it with water, which I have it on extra heavy. Now I know I'm not going crazy. And it's new, so it's not like I've had it for years. So it's a new machine. So let's see what it does. Usually when I'm doing my sheets and stuff, you know, like, I'll just put it in and go about my business and do something else in the house. But this time I think I'm going to just sit and wait and watch to see how much water is going to go in here. Put it on extra heavy, so, you know, it's going to take a second to fill up the hook. I really don't like using fabric softener because they say fabric softener mess your machine up, clogs it up. So, like, I use it, but only on my grandbaby stuff. Because, you know, my baby got to smell good. I just want y'all to see how, even with the extra heavy, the water don't fill up like it's supposed to. Which is weird. What? Girl, I want to see. What?
The powder.
What powder? A powder?
Yeah.
Working on. Behind the spray bottle. Michael, banana. Banana. Where is it? I just keep clicking. It's supposed to like automatically like do the levels and stuff by itself, but I mean, like, it started it, but it didn't. Hold on. Come on, Daddy. Hold on, guys. My baby. Time out, Janina. You want to go outside, but it's too early. Yeah. Like, to be honest, y'all, I like the wash machines back in the day, like with the little joint in the middle, and it really washed your stuff. Now with this one, it got these three little light blue things where the water shoots up, goes to clean the clothes. Honestly, when I brought it and I used it the first time, you know, that's anything when you use the first time, it's going to do everything perfect. But that second time, I mean, it's not worth it to me. Like, seriously. And I just got it, which I'm thinking about switching to Samsung or either LG. Because one thing I know about them, their stuff gonna be on point. Like, but I don't know. Okay, now it's like 5 minutes and the water is still going. Let me see something. Let me try something. They all the way up, so I don't know. I mean, 5 minutes just to fill a machine up. I don't know. Hey, Nana, baby. Oh, stop. Now, you see what I'm saying? The machine isn't filled. Yo, like, check it out now, y'all. Now, I'm going to put it on pause so you guys can see where the water is. Can you see? All right? That's weird, right? And I have it on extra large. Now what? I mean extra heavy. So why is the soil level so low? Like, I bought the big machine because of me and my 2 kids and my grandbaby. So I'm thinking, oh, I go big, like I can do bigger loads. No, y'all see what I'm talking about. Now, that's where the water is. And we got all of this space. So, why is the hose there? Like, that just don't make sense. I'm just being honest. Like, a lot of people just get on here and tell everyone anything, but you can't do that when it comes to people spending their money. Like, come on, that's weird. I'm giving y'all the honest God truth, and y'all see it. And when people do the loads, like, they'll do small stuff. Now, y'all have to think about people that live in a house with 5 and 6. They'll buy something big like this, but you get that. Now, in the middle of the wash, it will do a little bit more, but it never filled up. This machine never, ever, ever filled up. I even tried it on, now see, here it come again, see? Now watch. Y'all think I'm lying. I mean, it's up to y'all. Like, if I put it on extra heavy, I should get, see? Y'all see what I'm saying? Like, ain't no such thing, all the water in the bottom. You feel me? So, okay, it's gonna wash the clothes on the bottom, and the way it goes, it's like swish, swish. It's not like the old machines where it's with the thing in the middle and the clothes just going from the bottom to the top, from the bottom to the top. So that's what you have to think about when it comes to buying one of this machine. Yeah, like, that's what you have to think about. I'm just keeping it 100. The machines they make today, it's not worth it. Like, with this swishing back and forth, nah. It's not really getting the clothes clean, you guys. Like, now this is the first, like I said, it's the first time I actually sit here and watch the comforters, which is a child's comforter, you know, right? But come on, this is not getting it clean. You see? This is really crazy. Well, I showed y'all what it do, and it's your decision. I'm gonna still stand here for a second. Usually I have to wash my comforters and stuff twice, you know, just to make sure that they're clean. Which they don't be that dirty when I put them in. Like, I wash every week. I change the linen every week. You know, I just like to have everything clean. But this is ridiculous. This whole big machine for a half a tub of water on extra heavy. So, alright guys, I actually wanted to sit and play all the way out, but I'm gonna stop now because I have other stuff I have to do in the house. But if you want me to do a full video of a whole wash, just let me know in the comments and I'll do it for you. Bye guys.